shadows we find our love. Beneath the moonlight, stars shimmering above. Our silhouettes entwine, a beautiful embrace. Whispers in the dark where we find our place. Through the shadows, our love softly glows. In the quiet night, our passion flows. A tender kiss beneath the silver light. Lost in each other, everything feels right. Shadows paint the story of our hearts. Two souls intertwined, never to part. In this realm of light and dark, our love remains a burning spark. Through the shadows, our love softly glows. In the quiet night, our passion flows. A tender kiss beneath the silver light. Lost in each other, everything feels right. Everything feels right. Every touch a gentle art. In the shadows where it starts, we explore this intimate dance. Two hearts forever in a trance. Through the shadows, our love softly glows. In the quiet